So these are finally some things I got done like I promised you. The basket's up, and what I did is I did not go that crazy on coloring. What I did is I took some very colorful pictures out of my art binder and just repurposed them on what I now call my art door, because this is actually my bathroom door, but it's a sliding pocket door, and it looked pretty boring, so this is what I did. Now we are gonna get baby Faith changed for Sunday the 7th of April. Now, what is it? I say hi everyone in the comments. What is the 7th of April? You may be thinking to yourself, well, that is the date of the London Doll and Teddy Bear show, which is my first ever Reborn doll show / convention. So, I'm only bringing one doll because, like, I'm probably gonna be shopping for another doll or Reborn at the same time. So, why would I bring all 9 of them when I'm gonna buy another one? So, I'm just gonna do a changing chat and then, getting her ready in the car seat. We're gonna change it with this toy because she doesn't like this one, her brother does. So thank God I have a lot of toys. And then, yeah, so let's get into the rest of it.
Okay, so what do you want her to wear?
Alexa, what is the weather supposed to be on Sunday?
On Sunday, April 7th in Komoka, you'll see mostly sunny weather and can expect a high of 14 degrees Celsius and a low of 1 degree.
So it's gonna be pretty warm up, but I kind of want to cover her because there's gonna be thousands of people there, and I don't want her to be touched all the time. So I think I'm gonna put her in a thin sleeper, and the box I'm gonna use is the box that I found while I was moving. It's just that one. Do you see that one bin there with the lid on it?
The one on the top? Oh, this one?
Yes. So that's just movies. It's not gonna open anything of straws. You know, there's.
Is there a color that you want? We have this rainbow one. Or
We could use that for a onesie. So we're gonna choose this rainbow onesie. So that's cute.
is there bottoms here too?
Not that match that specifically, but yeah, there's bottoms.
Okay, what do you think we should put as the bottoms? Oh, we have gray. That can match a lot of things. Maybe. What do you think?
Or should we do a sleeper over top of it so when I bring her back, I don't have to get ready for bed?
Okay. Is there sleepers in here too?
And yeah.
Oh, there's this one. I think this would fit her really well.
Oh, this is perfect for this season that it is, because this has, we already went out and explained it. I think it's rainbow deer.
Yeah, so there's some bunnies, there's some foxes, and a deer. Some deer. Yeah. So you want to change her to these?
Yeah.
Alright.
And I mean, I could take the sleeper off, and I could that day put her in some pants and then put it. But I mean, I don't think I want to change her when I get back. I'm gonna be tired or really hyped up from the doll show. She's gonna be tired, so it's just easier this way, I think. Not to say these pants are not cute because they are adorable, but I just don't think, you know, when I'm not gonna put it in double layers, it's gonna be warm out. So I'm not gonna put a pair of pants over top because it's not gonna be super cold out. And if I want to take the sleeper off, onesie will be warm enough. So, and I always have socks in a diaper bag anyways, so it's not like we're not gonna have that. And I'm not taking like a huge sleeper bag. I'm just taking the pink one, and I'm hoping my cab driver, which is Amir's dad, is gonna let me keep the car seat in the vehicle because I have found the sling that I've wanted to use for her. It was buried somewhere when I was moving, so now I have 2 slings. But I preferred one over the other. It's funny because my staff, and I don't mean Amira, but my staff here prefer the one that I don't like, and I prefer the in-facing one. But you know, I thought of having Amira take a baby, but I only have 1 car seat, so it would look kind of interesting having. I gotta whip down your hair again.
Do you have the spray bottle?
Yep. Her hair stayed down for a while, but it didn't.
The spray bottle's there.
Yeah,
And I think, if I remember where the
What are you looking for?
diaper bag.
It's over here. I thought it was over here.
I saw it today.
I just saw it.
Because I know that there's a toothbrush in there.
Yeah. Pink diaper bag. I saw it.
Yeah.
Where am I losing my mind? I saw it.
I did too.
I saw it. Where did it go?
I got the spray bottle, but
it was on the floor by my closet thingy, but I don't. Okay, I think we're both losing our minds because I saw it and Amir saw it, and it was. Did it fall under the damn wardrobe? Pardon my language, but this is really weird. No, like my closet, because that's the last place I saw it.
like inside.
No, on the floor, like in the very front corner.
No. This is weird.
I just saw it.
I did too.
Turn me around for a second because.
It's not behind you.
No, I know, but
What if we have another toothbrush?
This was like our pencil sharpener thing earlier when we were doing some extra coloring. We were looking for a pencil sharpener, like searching for it. It was right in the pencil case. You don't know it? Is it under the iPad?
No.
Because I remember seeing it. This is really weird.
I'm really confused.
I'm more than confused, but that doesn't take much for me. Okay, we gotta have another toothbrush because
I don't see another one.
is there one in the Sheen bag in their bassinet? No.
No. Did it fall in the bathroom? No.
Is it in the laundry basket?
I was looking in there.
I know I saw it today. I know I did.
I did too when I was here.
Like while you've been here, yeah. Anyways.
Okay, let's skip that for now.
Okay, we'll find a way to brush her hair. I'm just really confused as to where it could have went.
You want to get the...
Anyways, let's just get her hair wet and try and get it down the best we can with this here. And I know you don't like this, I know, but you don't want your hair all crazy either. I know you don't like that. It's hard because she doesn't really, she has a part, but it's very hard to follow. Okay, so that's without a brush because we couldn't find it, obviously. But watch we end this video and we automatically find it.
Alright.
Because I was in the bathroom today and I saw it. Is it not in the corner of the... Like, I swear I saw it when I was in... What the heck? Anyways. I'm just wondering, should I put a bow on her? Probably.
Yeah. Is that in the bassinet? The Shein bag, is it still in there?
Yeah, I hope so. And I don't spray their hair often at all. But if they're going out, I just do that a little bit. There's the bow bag, so she had that on for a while, that one. So I'm not putting that one on. Because we just took it off. There's a, she's not really wearing. The blue might go nice though, because she has a little lighter complexion, so the blue might.
You want this one?
Yeah, and it might be easier to put on her head instead of the ones.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, it goes over. But the only thing is, I wish she had more hair right here.
That's cute though.
I know. Can we pull it up a bit though? Cause it.
Yeah.
Hold on, I just feel like if we don't, it'll just.
There we go.
There we go. I don't think I'll be changing that one. It's pretty cute. Now that I say we have socks in the diaper bag, I'm just gonna pack one of my bags because we might not find it and we might. So, do I have my Victoria's Secret bag over there somewhere? Because I did, I just don't know. Or any bag, bag.
This one?
That's makeup, which which I hope I have good stuff on the weekend I can do makeup for Mom.
I don't know what other bag you want to use.
No, but I had a Victoria's Secret bag back here. Where did it go?
Look, what does it look like?
It's black with gold lettering and it says Victoria's Secret. It's more like a tote bag. Why am I not able to find things today?
Do you think it's in the closet?
Maybe, or is it on top?
I feel like there's a ghost.
What's in that bag?
Clothes for babies.
Oh, all my tiny clothes.
Huh?
All my tiny clothes. Oh no, I was just driving me nuts. Like on top of the wardrobe. There's nothing else.
No, there's just a big bag and then a big garbage bag.
Weird. Where's my backpack? That's what I'll use.
Okay. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here. A lot of stuff.
Maybe that's not what okay.
Do you want to like get this ready?
Yeah, we gotta switch out the toy and then
Okay, let's do that then.
we're gonna get her set in it. And that's gonna be the end of the video because it's already a long video. But we're gonna switch out the toy. And yep. And I think from what our options are, which was this one, or yeah, I think you would like the caterpillar more. And then it's just a crinkly toy.
How does this go on?
Is this able to? Oh, yes. You just gotta.
Hello. Hi, Rebecca. How are you? Have some coffee or tea?
Ginger ale and cranberry.
I don't have cranberry juice, but I have some ginger ale.
2 ginger ale, 2
Ginger
cups.
ale?
Just go take
You want it with a straw?
Yeah, I have straws. My worker's here to grab them.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Anything else, Rebecca?
No.
Nope. You're good. You want the door closed?
Yep.
Okay.
So this is the new one.
So we figured it out. Yeah, it just wraps around. And then, I don't know, but
You want to put her in?
yeah. And then blankets, I don't, well, I know where they are. We just gotta go digging for them.
I think they're all still in the same place they were.
Oh, there's one of my beanie babies. Your brother had it. Lovely. I might have to make the straps bigger on her. I don't know.
They're actually tight, so that's good.
Okay.
Okay, blanket. Blanket. color do you think she wants? We have pink, Minnie Mouse, or the gray with butterflies.
Yeah. Because pink Minnie Mouse will be really warm.
Yeah, that's true.
So. And then we'll just cover her up with that. And then,
You want to give her a toy?
yeah, but I think I'll give her the, whatever that is. The purple,
This one?
or does the yellow go with her with her outfit? Look at me now, I'm choosing toys like,
Maybe this.
which one can she hold better, I wonder?
This one.
Yeah, there we go. I don't know whether it's a pencil, but
It's pretty cute.
yeah, it's a sweet toy. And these are all the toys I got for free, so.
I'll show you.
And I think the purple one is just a donut. I mean, we could put them both in there, I guess. But, yeah, I'll put them both in there. Then where's her pacifier trap? She has the white one. Where did it go?
Does she need a magnetic one?
Yeah, she has the blue one for magnetic. Like the dark blue one, it was on the heart clip. There's another video. Yep. I think this is hers, but I don't know if it fits in her mouth. Yeah, it does. There we go. So there's that, and that's pretty much it. Like, I'm gonna have a cover for her if it's like raining. I do have a car seat cover, but it didn't say rain, so I hope not. But if it does, I do have a car seat cover. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I will see you the next day with coverage of the doll show. Peace.